Jai Hind and welcome to my channel. Today I start a series to explore the mountain passes of India. These passes are not just the geographical features, but they played a very important role in connecting regions, histories and cultures. In this series, we will explore the significance of these passes from their strategic military importance and their role in trade and tourism. We will also uncover some essential facts which will enhance your general knowledge and prepare you for competitive examination. Before we start, we will discuss that what is mountain pass. Mountain pass is a pass through mountain ranges, and this is significantly lower than the adjacent mountains as you can see in the picture. They are the land routes in the mountains through which people travel or navigate. These passes help the people to maintain the trade relation with other countries as well as within the country. In history, invaders also came through these passes. For this reason, they played a very important role in human history in migration, trade and settlement. In this series, we will cover all the passes of Himalayan region as well as the passes of peninsular India. In today's video, we are going to cover the passes of Ladakh region of India as well as the passes in POK and in passes in Aksai Chin, which is controlled by China. Before we start the passes, we will give a one look how the land is occupied by China and Pakistan. So this is Ladakh region. The passes of Ladakh region we are going to cover. This is the Gilgit-Baltistan region which is occupied by Pakistan, and this is Aksai Chin. This is the area which is controlled by the China but claimed by India. This is LAC, line of actual control, and this is a LOC, line of control. So we are going to do in today's video the passes which are in the region of Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and in Aksai Chin region. The first pass which we will discuss is Umling La. Umling La is the world's highest motorable pass. This is the location of Umling La and it is located on the elevation of 5,799 meter above mean sea level. This pass connects the Ladakh with Pangong Lake, and it is also the highest motorable road, which is this achievement is achieved by Border Road Organization under the project which is known as Himank. You can see here, this is the project Himank under which this highest motorable road is constructed in Umling La Pass. Next pass is Khardung La. This is the location of Khardung La Pass and it is located on the elevation of 5,359 meter. This pass forms the gateway to Nubra Valley, beyond which Siachen Glacier is located. Next pass is Agil Pass. This is the location of Agil Pass. This pass connects the Ladakh region of India with the China's Xinjiang state. This pass is located near the mountain K2 in Karakoram ranges, which is the second highest mountain of the world and the first highest mountain of India, which is also known as Godwin Austen. Next pass is Changla Pass, which is located on the elevation of 5,360 meter above mean sea level. This is the location of Changla Pass. Here you can see Changla Pass connect India with the Tibet. Changla Pass is the main gateway to the Nubra Valley. Changla literally means the northern pass, or it is also known as pass towards the south. The world's highest research station established by DRDO is functional in Changla at the height of 17,664 feet. It is the third highest motorable road. The next pass is Emesla. You can see the location of Emesla. It connects the Ladakh with Tibet. It is located in the Zanskar range of Himalayas. The next pass is Lanak La. You can see the location of Lanak La. It is located in Aksai Chin at the elevation of 5,466 meter. As I have told you that this is located in Aksai Chin, which is a disputed area and controlled by China as a part of Tibet Autonomous Region. but it is claimed by India as a border pass. It also links Ladakh with Lhasa. Through this pass, Chinese government has also constructed a road connecting this Tibet region to the Chinese Xinjiang state. The next pass is Penzilla, which is located at the elevation of 4,400 meter above mean sea level. It is also located in the UT of Ladakh, and it is also the gateway to Jhanskar. The location of this pass is just near Khardungla. It is Pensila. This pass is Pensila. The next important pass is Mintika Pass, which is located at the tri-junction of Afghanistan, China and India. The name of the pass means a land of 1,000 goats in Kyrgyz language. You can see that this pass is located in Gilgit-Baltistan area, which is controlled by Pakistan, and it connects the Pakistan with the China's Xinjiang state. Since 1949, foreigners are not allowed to visit this pass. The next pass is Parpik Pass. Parpik Pass is just located with the Mintika Pass. This pass joins Kashmir with China. The next important pass is Khunzherev Pass. It is located at the elevation of 4,693 meters. This is the location of Khunzherev Pass, and Silk Route passes through this pass. This pass is made up of two words. Khunz means blood and Zerev means creek. Trade between China and Pakistan also carried through this Khunzherev Pass. The next very important pass is Zojila Pass. It is located in Kargil district of Ladakh. It is located in the Dras subdivision. This is the location of Zojila Pass. National Highway number 1 between Srinagar and Leh crosses through this pass. Zojila means mountain pass of blizzards. This pass provides a very important link between the Kashmir and Ladakh region. Zojila tunnel was approved by the Government of India in January 2018, and when it will be completed, it will reduce the distance to cover the Zojila Pass from 3 hours to 15 minutes. The next important pass is Bila Fondla, which is located on 5,450 meter above sea level. It is also known as Saltoro Pass because it is located on Saltoro Ridge. Beyond this pass, the vast Siachen Glacier is located. This pass also defines the end of LOC, which is the agreement did in 1972 known as the Shimla Agreement between India and Pakistan. This pass was very prominent during 1984 when the Operation Meghdoot was started by the Indian military to capture Siachen Glacier. Currently, India maintains a fortified military base in this pass. The next important pass we are going to discuss here is Indra Call. Before I tell you about Indra Call, I just want to tell you about the Shaksgam area, which is given by Pakistan to China. This is the Indra Call, which is located in Karakoram ranges, located at the altitude of 5,968 meters. It is also considered as the northernmost point of Indian boundary. It is located on the boundary of India-controlled Siachen Glacier and China-controlled Trans-Karakoram Belt. It is also close to the tri-point of India, China and Pakistan. India-Pakistan actual ground positive line in Siachen areas and near this pass. The next pass is Namika La, which means the pillar of sky. This pass is a high pass of the Jhaskar range of Himalayas, which is located in Ladakh, India at the elevation of 3,700 meters. Namika La and Fotula are the two high passes between the Kargil and Leh. The next pass is Tanglang La, which is located on the 17,582 feet. It is located on the National Highway number 3 between the Leh and Manali. When I was preparing these passes, मुझे लता जी का ये गाना ज़रूर याद आया कि जो खून गिरा पर्वत पे वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, और साथ में मुझे कुमार विश्वास की ये पोएम भी याद आई कि है नमन उनको कि जिनके सामने बौना हिमालय. I want to salute all my brave soldiers who martyred, who gave their precious life to save these passes from the enemy hands. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.